It appears that the issue of unseen potholes has resurfaced. This roadway contains significant craters that become less visible when it rains, potentially leaving drivers unprepared until it is too late. It is understandable that numerous vehicles suffered axle damage that day, as the concealed potholes effectively misled drivers. It appears that the cargo on the truck was loaded too far back, causing the vehicle to tilt backwards. This incident underscores the importance of proper weight distribution. This situation demonstrates a strong work ethic. Despite heavy emissions resembling industrial smoke around the excavator's cabin, the operator continued working as if it were a routine day. In his haste, the truck driver neglected to lower the dump bed, resulting in it scraping the overhead metal frame and ultimately tipping over. This event illustrates the dangers of rushing operational procedures. The sensor system appears to have malfunctioned, causing the barrier to lower unexpectedly and collide with the windshield. The positioning of a nearby tree inadvertently created a ramp effect, which allowed a silver car to mount the roof of a pickup truck. This event highlights the unforeseen risks posed by roadside obstructions. An unexpected swerve by the white pickup truck during an overtaking maneuver caused the black car to lose control, transforming a routine pass into a potentially hazardous situation.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God.
It remains unclear whether the truck is immobilized in the river or simply undergoing an extensive wash of its tires and undercarriage. Further evaluation is needed to determine the exact circumstances. One must question whether two small wooden logs can adequately support the weight of a fully loaded coal truck, underscoring the importance of proper support structures in heavy load situations. The twisted and bent condition of the truck's axle suggests it has been subjected to significant stress, emphasizing the necessity of regular maintenance and proper load management. The manner in which the cargo was loaded onto the truck appeared to predispose the operation to problems, highlighting the critical importance of following proper loading procedures. The condition of the truck's tire indicates that it requires a comprehensive replacement rather than a minor cosmetic repair. Despite its compact size, this truck is tasked with transporting lengthy, heavy steel cables, demonstrating its operational resilience under challenging conditions. The tractor lacked the necessary power to extract the car from beneath the ditch, illustrating the limitations of its capabilities in such scenarios. The truck owner, identifiable by his red shirt, appeared to have neglected proper handbrake usage, resulting in the vehicle becoming uncontrollable. Due to the driver's oversight in failing to engage the handbrake, the white truck experienced a loss of control, an event that reinforces the need for strict adherence to safety protocols. The driver of the white car would benefit from additional training to improve situational awareness and adherence to road safety standards. Two wheel loaders, one positioned at the front and the other at the rear, were required to free the trapped truck. This coordinated effort underscores the significance of teamwork and proper equipment use in emergency situations. Safe driving extends beyond simply following rules. It involves fostering a culture of responsibility and mindfulness among all road users. The operation to rescue the truck, submerged in floodwaters and precariously tilted, posed significant challenges and required the expertise of seasoned professionals. Every maneuver had to be meticulously planned to prevent further destabilization. Using a combination of winches, cranes, and excavators, the team worked carefully to stabilize the truck, preventing additional shifting or deeper submersion into the mud. This scenario highlights the importance of precise coordination and thorough situational assessment during emergency responses. The white car inadvertently entered the truck's blind spot, emphasizing the importance of vigilance and proper lane positioning. The driver of the white car ahead failed to notice the black car crossing the road, possibly due to distraction. This oversight highlights the critical need for focused attention while driving. Visibility for both vehicles was compromised by an obstructing taxi, resulting in an unexpected situation for both drivers. Although the white car in front applied its brakes suddenly, the following vehicle failed to maintain a safe distance. This incident emphasizes the importance of keeping proper spacing and reacting promptly to sudden stops. The truck swerved to avoid an oncoming collision with two motorcyclists, leading it to veer onto the shoulder. This maneuver demonstrates the need for drivers to remain alert and responsive to sudden hazards. The incident involving the concrete mixer truck suggests that the driver may require additional training or should exercise greater caution during operation. This vehicle appears to be exhibiting excessive fuel consumption, indicating that its engine or fuel system may require further inspection to ensure efficiency. Although the white smoke cloud may appear striking, such emissions from a plow can be hazardous due to their toxic nature, warranting careful monitoring. The individual in the white shirt maintained remarkable composure when a truck collided with the white car ahead, exemplifying calm under pressure in an emergency situation. It is advisable to inspect the machinery immediately to ensure proper functioning and to prevent potential hazards. The car aggressively attempted to overtake the truck transporting an excavator, engaging in risky maneuvers around a corner. This behavior underscores the importance of adhering to safe overtaking practices to maintain road safety. It appears that a long-standing dispute between the excavator operator and the car owner may have escalated into a serious incident. In a moment of apparent frustration, the excavator's arm struck the car, causing significant damage. This occurrence serves as a reminder of the importance of maintaining professional conduct and adhering to safety protocols when operating heavy machinery. At the tunnel entrance, a truck lost its spare tire, which came to rest in the left lane and posed a significant hazard to passing vehicles. The situation led to multiple vehicles swerving to avoid a collision, and when another vehicle struck the tire, it veered erratically while emitting smoke. Fortunately, a driver operating a red truck intervened by safely removing the tire from the roadway. This incident underscores the critical importance of promptly addressing roadside hazards to ensure overall traffic safety. While traveling at high speed, a truck experienced a tire detachment, with the tire becoming lodged between the two rear tires. This incident highlights the dangers of inadequate tire maintenance and the importance of routine vehicle inspections. The truck operator failed to observe both the traffic signal and the parked vehicle ahead, indicating a lapse in situational awareness that could lead to hazardous conditions. While ascending the hill, the truck unexpectedly applied its brakes forcefully, resulting in a loss of control and a backward drift. Fortunately, the absence of trailing vehicles minimized the risk of collision. Observant bystanders promptly secured logs to stabilize the unsecured excavator, demonstrating resourcefulness and quick thinking in an emergency situation. The scenario suggests that the car is operating in an environment dominated by larger vehicles, highlighting the importance of maintaining awareness of one's surroundings when sharing the road. Abruptly stopping on the roadway is a serious safety violation that poses significant risks and disruptions to surrounding traffic. Such behavior is strongly discouraged to prevent accidents. In this instance, it appears that both drivers assumed the other would yield, resulting in a dangerous standoff. This situation underscores the need for clear communication and strict adherence to right-of-way protocols. A detached tire was observed entering the highway unexpectedly, creating a significant hazard for oncoming traffic. Prompt intervention by law enforcement was necessary to mitigate further risks. An electric bike rider crossed the street without due caution, failing to notice the truck's warning horn. Fortunately, the truck's timely braking prevented a collision, and both parties avoided injury. This incident highlights the importance of vigilance for all road users. While operating his three-wheeler, an elderly gentleman experienced a minor collision from a vehicle approaching from behind, resulting in his vehicle being impacted from the rear. This incident illustrates how even minor collisions can lead to unexpected complications. The white car was traveling at high speed and exhibited a lack of attention, which was particularly dangerous given that the three-wheeled vehicle had already entered the intersection. This emphasizes the need for careful observation and adherence to speed limits. A fire broke out unexpectedly from a scrap pile, spreading rapidly and endangering nearby vehicles, including a white car parked in close proximity. Fortunately, a bystander quickly alerted emergency services, allowing the vehicle to be safely moved from the area, albeit with minor soot damage. It may be advisable to consider using a truck for transporting the large metal sheet instead of an excavator, given the differences in their suitability for such tasks. While reversing, the driver of the concrete mixer deviated from the intended path, resulting in the vehicle entering a ditch and overturning. This incident highlights the importance of careful maneuvering and maintaining situational awareness. The driver of the truck carrying the excavator demonstrated considerable expertise in navigating diverse terrains, reflecting a high level of proficiency and experience. Although airplane wheels are commonly seen, they can be concealed under trailers with appropriate modifications. When passing through weight scales, the potential margin of error may exceed 50%. Additionally, hydraulic covers on axles can complicate matters. These factors illustrate that overloading is a universal concern for both standard highway trucks and specialized composite vehicles. The white car proceeded through a red light, thereby assuming full responsibility for the resulting complications. This incident underscores the critical importance of obeying traffic signals. This wheel loader is an exemplary piece of equipment, renowned for its versatility in tasks ranging from ground leveling to the rescue of immobilized vehicles. It serves as a testament to the importance of adaptable machinery in various operational scenarios.